Ko Nore mātana hau, he uri no miti mo te hokianga nui a kupe. Ngā wāhi hi ōku mai te wā o taku ohinga. He nui ōku pūkenga hi kei taku kete. Engari, ko te mātauranga nui ia, ko ngā wahanga o te marama me ngā tohu o te moana. Koia tēnei, ko te mahi hiika e ai ki te maramataka. He mea whai ngā mātauranga tuku iho a ngā tūpuna, e hia mano tau ki muri, ā ka tūnoa mai ki tēnei rā. He tohu mai kia mātou, ko hia hi ai, ko hia ai te mātaitai.
Tēnā koe tangaro.
Nō reira, tēnei te hiki tapu ai. He toha mātauranga, he whakamātau pūkenga, ka puta, ka ora. Whakapiri mai, me oku hoa ki te hi, he haerere moana, i runga i a Moontide Fishing. E whai ake nei,
Screaming reels, that's what we like to hear.
Hey, bro.
Yeah.
e aru ana i ngā takekenui ki King Bank,
As you are. Oh, yeah.
me ngā tini iko o te wāhi hirahira nei,
Cousin Dazza's got a ara on his big squid right there. Oh, look at that, bro.
Yeah, the big as a fish, bro.
Oh, no.
ā ka eke ahau ki te mura o te ahi.
Yes. Oh, no.
Rākaunui, the full moon, is a period of high energy and usually a great time for fishing.
Yeah. You gotta celebrate life sometimes, man. Life is beautiful.
Kei te hiku o te ika mātou ko oku karangarua e hi ana ki King Bank.
Very good, boys.
Hey, that's what we're talking about.
E toru ngā rā te roa o tēnei haerenga, ā i te rā tuatahi ka hopu i ahau taku takekenui tuatahi.
Oh, yeah.
Ko te rā tuarua tēnei, ā e kai kā ana mātou mo ngā mahi hi i te rā nei.
Tēnā koutou te whānau, hoki mai anō ki Moontide Fishing, te mahi hika, e ai ki te maramataka. I te rā nei, kei Manawatāwhi ahau, kei konei, mātou ko oku karangarua, a Dazza Cleve, a Mori Rāpana, me tō mātou nei kai urumi, a Craig Birds, i runga i tōna poti nui a Eclipse. Haere ana ki waho nei ki te hiake i ngā warehenga me ngā moione, tēnā pia ngā hāpuka, I tēnei wā o te maramataka o Rākaunui. Well, bro, our kai mission today is warehenga, moione, hāpuka, and bro, it's our chance. It's our chance to get our PB Kingis.
Yeah, pono marika, bro. Looking forward to it. Really looking forward to it, actually. Heard so much about this place in terms of the freight trains that run around here with regards to the warehenga, but also I'm pretty confident that we're going to slay it.
Hard, bro. Hey, we've got the whole day up our sleeves, but the weather's turning, so kei roto I tēnei wahanga o te maramataka o Rākaunui, whiti mai a Rākaunui I ngā pō, I te tōringitanga o te rā I te uru, ka whiti mai a Rākaunui I te rāwhiti, ka noho tonu ki tērā wahanga o te maramataka mo te rākatoa, taino ki te whitinga mai o Rākau matohi a te pōnei. We'll be coming up to around about an 11 a.m. slack high. Our skipper Craig said that those last couple of hours getting to slack is what will target the warehenga first. So the three of us will hopefully get on today, whānau, get out there, maybe even make some of our own dreams come true with a couple of PBs.
Oh,
but
that'd be great.
the
Hey,
main
the brother,
mission-
hey, the cousin.
the main mission
Game
is
on.
kai for the whānau, but if we can get some big fish, that'll be awesome, mate. We don't get up here very often. Mori's first time, Dazza's third time, I think. This is my second time, so we want to make the most of this opportunity in such a special place. That's us, whānau. We're on, cuzzies.
We're on. Let's go.
He waihuhua e nei, ā ia mātou e haere ana ki te tauranga warehenga, ka tō ngā pōpua ki te whakapātari te ngau a ngā takekenui.
We're being treated to something truly special out here as we make our way out to where we're going to be fishing. A pod of dolphins, hundreds and hundreds of them, following us along, jumping out of the water. Oh, he rawe ki te kite I ēnei, o ngā taonga o Tangaroa e kau mai ana ki te taha o tō mātou nei poti, a mātou e haere ana ki te wāhi hika. Ngā aihe nei, miharo pai, beautiful.
You're gonna steal my love.
I te whakatata mātou ki te tauranga warehenga, ka tai mai te takekenui.
Yeah, sit on the chair. Yeah, right hand down. So we've just hooked onto a marlin whānau. Daz is on the gear this time. Haven't spotted him yet, but he's certainly out there somewhere. Oh, look at that. Screaming reels, that's what we like to hear.
Hey, bro.
Yeah.
These are my memories of up here, eh, bro? It's just fish, big fish, you know, everywhere. Still one of those places that you can come to and catch fish from.
Hard, cousin, hard. We're running the Penn International 50 wides on the Blue Water Carnage rod. So far, so good, eh, cuzzy?
Yeah, man. It's nice and slow, eh?
Yeah.
Rush.
No rush at all.
Well, put a little bit of hurt on both of us, really.
Yeah, we're getting some line back. Just hold this course, Skip.
So one of the key things, whānau, is good communication between us, the skipper, Kazi Mori's monitoring what's going on,
Right hand down.
making the calls.
Go right hand down. Yeah, no, he's coming, bro. He's coming.
Yeah, just trying to get as many pumps on the handle as you can when you can. The thing with these marlin is that you get back 50 metres and then they take 70.
You right, Kazi? I'm just going to wrap this around. Okay, I'll just loosen it a bit.
Right hand down, Skip.
I think I was the last one to wear one of the... Nah.
So it's smaller because you got a 6-pack, I got a 1-pack.
Okay, cousin, we're getting pretty close to the boat. I've never leaded a marlin. What's some words of advice so I don't bugger this up for you, cuzzy?
Don't stand directly in front of the bull, bro. Always have the bull to the side, eh?
You'll be right. Okay, so sort of stand around his shoulders.
Forward, please. Hold it like that, bro. Bull there, like that.
Yeah.
Don't hold it like that.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that's good. That's good. Nice, Dazza. Nice, Dazza. Here's the leader. Here's the leader. Here we go. Here we go. Here he comes. Here he is.
He's all yours, bro. He's all yours.
It's a catch.
Here he is. Here he is.
Right. You right, Nore?
Yeah.
Right, bro.
Yeah.
Pull him to you, Nore, and then grab his bill, my bro.
Yeah.
Tip to the side. Hold him. Yeah. As you are.
Oh, hold on.
Yeah.
Daz, can you pop there? Yep. Can you pop? Yeah, thank you.
Well, whānau, Kazi Dazza's got his takeketonga to the boat. I got to lead on my first marlin. Teamwork. So good, cousin. Hey, we're gonna let this go, whānau, so... miharo.
Yeah. Let him go, bro.
Yeah.
Let him
Yeah,
go.
he's good, bro.
He's
The tail's
kicking.
moving.
He's kicking.
And down he goes, whānau.
Yes. Yeah, my boys. Yeah. Woo.
Ko te tuki tērā. Mō Dazza, tana takeketonga I konei. Ngā wai o Manawatāwhi. Hopefully we'll have an epic end to our day, just like the start has been.
Yeah.
Too good, eh? So, that's us.
That's us.
Haere tonu.
Let's go.
E whai ake nei, ko ngā piki,
Here we go, whānau.
me ngā heke,
Oh, no. Oh, Kazi Dazza just lost the fish.
a kei a haupea te ika nui o te rā.
Oh, you guys, go to the back. Go to the back. Take this.
Yeah, he's come forward again. Just got to get him out. Here he is, Wazza.
Rākaunui, the full moon, is a time of high energy and usually a great time for fishing. I nā te miharo o ngā mahi I te ata nei. Ko kitea ngā aihe, ko hopu I a Dazza te takekenui, ā I ānei nā ka huri te aro ki ngā warehenga ki King Bank.
O e te whānau, kua tai mai nei ki te wāhi, kia hi ake ngā warehenga, ko mea mai te kaiurungi, pai ngā tohu I konei. So we're just going to drop our first jigs, whānau. Hopefully there'll be some warehenga here. We're only in about 60 metres of water. Well, whānau, when you come to these places, you got to work out what the current's doing. A little bit of swell here, bit of rocking. You just got to be careful. Kia mapara I tēnei wāhi. Kia kaua e taka ki roto I te moana.
Ko te tūmanako ia ka kite te ngau a ngā warehenga I konei. Engari, te āhua nei, he nui ake te hiakai a ngā manu I te maunu a Dazza. Engari, kua tuku maunu mētara hau, kua mau.
Oh, yeah, I'm on.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm on.
Double hook up, whānau.
Oh, yeah, boy. Fish on, whānau, fish on. Yes. Well, warehenga time, whānau.
You got a warehenga.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, nice.
It's a nice start, whānau. Nice start. Oh, I hope we're not tangled, Mori. I can feel it, but I think we'll be all right, bro.
You all right?
Oh, whānau, tēnei wā o Rākaunui, kua tukua ngā mea whakapua ika, ngā jigs mea ki, tahi anō ka mau. Kazi Mori's just landed a arara there. Nice. I'm pretty sure I'm on a warehenga.
Yeah, definitely.
Oh, you on too, Kazi? Oh, I'll come this way a bit now. Nice, Kazi, get him. Yeah. Nearly there, whānau, nearly there. Should see colour shortly. Tēnei wā te maramataka, Rākaunui, full moon. Big tide, strong current. We're seeing some full moon action. Oh, we'll just keep going. I can see colour there. Oh, what a hang up. I think we might be tangled, eh? Under and over, I think, has he? There we go, whānau. Oh, you off? Oh, me. That's lucky. Nice. Whānau, we are on the board with warehenga. Just a nice average size warehenga for this area. Oh, Kazi Dazza's just landed. Is that a warehenga too? Arara. Kazi Mori's landed a arara. Kazi Dazza's got a arara on his big squid right there. Oh, look at that, bro.
Yeah, it's as big as the fish, bro.
Well, at least they know they're hitting the squid anyway.
He warehenga pai tēnei, engari ka whakahokia te mea tuatahi.
Bit of a belly buster. Well, whānau, haere tunu ngā mahi.
Ka hoki anō mātou ki te mahi, ka mau I ka Mori.
Get him, Kazi. Get him.
Me Dazza,
Nice, Kazi.
Oh, yeah.
me au anō hoki.
Got a bit of weight to it.
Doesn't feel like you're tangled, Kazi?
Nah.
E huhuti ana mātou katoa, engari, ka taenga I ka te eke ki te poti.
Kazi Dazza just lost the fish.
Ko au anahe I aenei.
Oh, yeah, that's a goodie, mate.
Oh! Just lost a good fish, whānau. Better check my jig. We're just about to find out what went wrong here, whānau. Either it's pulled the hook, hopefully no gear failure, I can still feel my jig. Damn it, that was a good fish, whānau.
What was that?
My biggest, bigger than the last one, let's put it that way.
Better thing? Oh, sorry.
Yeah, no, it just spat it. Nah, that's just on the angle. Just spat the hook, whānau. Double check everything's still intact. Didn't make it to the reef. We're good to go again.
Au I riro mātou I ngā ika katoa.
There could have been a Kingi o te rā. It was a boat. True, bro. Yeah. Boat and then gone. I think I might have lost my tackle.
E kaha whawhai ana ngā ika, ko te tūmanako I aia nei ka e ke tangaroa a Dazza.
Oh, you're not that big, eh, Cuzzy? Neke miniti. Oh, he's a good fish, bro.
Oh, what we come here for?
Yes, Cuzzy.
The old Kingi's at the king.
Oh. Beauty, bro.
Trying to get it up before those sharks, eh, mate?
Oh, yeah, bro. He's just hoping they're not around today.
Yeah, bit of colour.
Nice, nice, nice. All right, bro. Nice warehenga, bro. Want me to leader him?
See there, eh? The little nuggets, eh, mate? Look how fat it is, bro.
All right. Happy for me to just pull him in, bro?
Hey, little torpedo.
Oh, bro. Right.
Look how thick that is, bro. Hey?
Oh, Cuzzy, too good, bro.
Okay.
Too good.
Look at the girth on that. Oh, this is a beautiful one to eat.
Oh, hard, bro.
What you want to do with it, my bro?
Oh, bro, it's quite to take home, bro. Up to you, up to you.
Look at that, well, look. I think this one's going to be beautiful and fat. I think it's a prime eater, bro. So,
Oh, awesome.
yeah.
And it's not a big monster that you
Nah.
feel bad about keeping, you know?
Ah, good.
I think anything under that sort of 25 kilos is a
Yeah.
good one to take home.
Totally, bro.
So,
All right, man.
too good.
He goes. Cheers.
Woo! Oh, we on, whānau. We are on.
E whai ake nei, ka pai te haere o ngā mahi hi,
Cuzzy, has been restored. So good.
engari ka pā mai te raruraru kia hau.
Yeah, we'll try and land him, bro. Oh no. Oh, I think he's been sharked.
Rākaunui, the full moon, is a period of high energy and usually a good time for fishing. E kite ana mātou I ngā hua o Tangaroa I tēnei wāhi o King Bank.
On this big squid right there. Oh, look at that, bro.
Yeah, it's as big as the fish, bro.
Engari, I tēnei wā tonu e wairua toa ana a Mori.
Oh, this is awesome, whānau. This is awesome. We're doing the mahi, catching fish, kai to take home. Roto I tēnei wahanga o te maramataka o Rākaunui. Whiti mai a Rākaunui. I nā pō, I nā nahi rā, I te toinga o te rā, ka whiti mai a Rākaunui te rāwhiti. Again, full moon phase where you've got the sun and the moon opposing each other. As the sun sets, the moon rises. Rākaunui is approximately halfway through the maramataka cycle. I find around these times of Rākaunui, with the stronger currents, you can quite often get bigger fish on the bite. Fish on, whānau, fish on. We're on. Nice. Nice. Yeah. Don't want to get sharked out here, so get as much on it as fast as you can. I've got no room for drag here, it's locked up. This one's not really pulling drag, but this rod's doing a good job of absorbing the runs that this warehenga's doing. Here on the King Bank near Manawatāwhi, ngā wai o te hiko tika, ngā wai o ngā tūpuna. Yeah! Where are we at? Oh, yeah, I can see colour now, whānau.
Yeah, there he is. Coming up.
Yeah. Yes, whānau. Look at that beautiful warehenga, whānau. Good old edge jigs. Smashing it. Woo! Oh,
Ia nei nā, ko tai te wā kia Mori.
get him, brother! Te hana, bro.
Pai, bro, pai.
Ka hana te whawhai. Tērā te pai o tēnei wāhi. Ngā warehenga ngā ika katoa. Kaha ki te whawhai. Ka whakapau kaha, ka whakapau wera wera. You're going good, bro. You're not on the bottom, that's the main thing.
Pound for pound, man, the warehenga are the toughest
Oh, hard.
fighting fish, eh, bro?
Going well, Cuzzy, going well. How's that rod going, all right?
Yes, holding up, bro. Just gonna take our time.
Oh, yeah, I can see a bit of colour there. Oh, nice one, brother. Oh. Try not to cut my hand here. Ready?
Yep.
Right. Oh, Kazi
Faith has been restored.
So good. Woo! We are catching warehenga.
Hara mai te āhua.
Go, Mori. We're seeing the fruits in this phase of Rākaunui. We're just about at the end of Rākaunui. Coming into Rākaunui.
Not quite the target fish, but lots of fun nonetheless. Right, Kingi? Nothing wrong with that, bro.
Yeah. Oh, that's a good fish. Oh, that's a good fish, whānau.
Get that cheek.
Oh, come on. Oh, look at the head.
Oh, yeah, nah,
Oh, he's angry.
he's an angry fish, bro.
Oh, it's struggling here, whānau. To get anything back on this fish, just gotta stop it getting to the bottom. Well, I'm at max drag too, whānau, so... Well, not quite.
Oh, yeah, yes, you got him. Got his head up, bro.
Getting a little bit on it now. Still about 50 metres down, though. The other problem here is sharks, potentially. So, can't muck around. Yeah. Oh. Woo. Come on. Getting some line back on them now. It's a place where you just got to give it all, whānau.
Want to do with the boat? You want to bring it up here, or?
Yeah, we'll try and land them, bro. Oh no.
Oh.
I think he's been sharked.
It's been...
Oh, great.
Oh no, he's under the boat. He's under the boat.
Oh, no.
Are we able to manoeuvre the boat? Back. We need to go that way.
Oh, no, he's going to the back.
Oh,
Yeah,
there
you
it is.
Go to the back.
There it is. Oh, no.
Go to the back. Take this
Yeah,
one.
he's come forward again. Oh. No, I just got to get him out. Here he is, Moza. Yeah, he's a good one to eat. All right. 3, 2, 1. Yep.
Yeah, boy. That's a goodie. That's a goodie.
That's a goodie. The plan
That's a goodie.
worked. Oh, ko pau, te hau, me kazi's. Right, so Moza.
Nice, bro. 2, 3.
Oh, whānau, look at this fish. Beautiful, probably easy 20 kilos, probably 25 kilos. Up here on the King Bank, up near Manawatāwhi with the cuzzies. I'm stoked. And of course, this will be a nice fat fish to take home. Smoke up, sashimi, you name it. This fish will feed whānau. I'm stoked, man. I'm happy with this fish. That's us. Nō reira te whānau, kaue ware me hoki mai anō koutou ki Moontide Fishing, te mahi hika, e ai ki te maramataka!
Whānau, don't forget to like and follow us on Facebook, Instagram and YouTube.